First on our agenda, proclamation. Queen, please forgive me. It looks like Quet. Am I right? Will you please come and just give us a little overview before we present the proclamation of Geechee, got your Geechee Nation Appreciation Week.
Good evening. Good evening. I'm glad it's today one more again in Liberty County and things like that for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. On the children down here, the Gullah Geechee on should get that right. Thing like that. And okay, somebody said that's right. And so I'm so glad for day one more again. I'm Queen Quet. I'm Chieftess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. I am also the founder, and I have the co-founder here with me, Kwame Shah of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. The festival has been going on for 11 years. And 5 years ago, in the city of Charleston, South Carolina, we were given the first Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week proclamation by then Mayor Joseph P. Riley. From that time forward, numerous other counties and towns from North Carolina down to Florida began participating in Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Last year, Liberty County also presented us with a proclamation, but I didn't have the opportunity to be here for the meeting at that time. So it is a blessing this time to be here because many people are not aware around the world until we tell them about the rich Gullah Geechee culture that has continuously existed in this county from the time of chattel enslavement up to now. And that Liberty County has one of the areas that has more per capita Gullah Geechee land ownership than any other county in the state of Georgia. So I'm always very proud to tell people that about Liberty County. And I was filmed here in Liberty County for the film Reconstruction, the Second Civil War. And so if it starts again, it's your fault, Liberty County. But this is where they filmed it to tell the story of how Gullah Geechees became landowners here and how we still hold upon we culture and things like that. And read of us to shout what's still going on all through ya in the praise house and things like that ya in Liberty County. And so I got to sing in one of those praise houses then for our ancestors, and it's always an honor whenever I have an opportunity to come back to Liberty County. And when I looked at the photographs on the walls, I said, well, some of the faces that are up there for now seem like you've been here a little while, because I remember some of these faces. And so I'm very happy. That means that your folks feel you're doing a great job. And I thank you for joining us in this celebration.
Thank you. We have a proclamation. We emailed us and we have a proclamation ready. So I'm going to let Mr. Brown read it. And we'll go down, and because you know we got to take a picture.
That's a good thing.
Yes, sir.
It's a proclamation of the Liberty County Board of Commissioners, Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week, Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas Liberty County, Georgia is home to one of the largest Gullah Geechee populations on the Georgia coast. And whereas between 1752 and 1868, descendants of the South Carolina colony of Dorchester County moved to Midway District, where they established a church where religious instruction was provided to African people in Midway, Jordan's Hill, and Sunbury. One of these movements came from the voices of black preachers lifted up through Mingo, Jack, and Tony Stevens. And whereas their ministries led to a meeting house being erected between North and South Newport Rivers named Pleasant Grove, which led to the Baptists providing worship space for the enslaved at Sunbury. And whereas a primary school for the Gullah Geechees was founded in 1871 at Goulding's Grove, which later became McIntosh, this school would become Dorchester Academy and serve as the sole source of higher education in Liberty County for freed slaves until the 1940s. And whereas Gullah Geechees of Liberty County have continued to provide their children with pride in their heritage, basic education, and the essence of land ownership. And whereas Queen Quet, founder of the Sea Island Coalition and co-founder of the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, has worked with the Gullah Geechee community of Liberty County for over a decade. And whereas we are Liberty County proud to play a vital role as one of the geographical locations of a host of sites reminiscent of the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation during Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas the appropriate selected theme, a celebration of self-determination, is supported by successful efforts of our local Gullah Geechee population to demonstrate and preserve their rich culture and traditions of Liberty County. Now therefore I, Donald L. Lovett, Chairman, do hereby declare July 30th through August 7th, 2016, as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Liberty County. I ask all citizens of Liberty County to join together in this great celebration.
I had the opportunity on Saturday to take some family members who were here for our family reunion to Geechee Kunda.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
Riceboro.
In Riceboro.
Yes.
They really enjoyed the experience there. Something my northern cousins had never experienced, you know. So.
Really? You had a little bit for Nampon? You had a little bit of shouting going on? You had a little bit for Nampon Saturday? Oh, no?
No.
Not need?
No need.
What?
Not there.
Not even Rice? In Riceboro? That's it?
So when they come back, we're gonna do a little more, but we had a chance to go down to share with Mr. Jim Baker.
Excellent, excellent.
Let's come down and take a picture with this,
Please.
with the Queen.
I also have the invitations for all of you to come up and join us Saturday.
We also have the roadside sign that says this is a Gullah Geechee
I saw,
corridor.
of course. I helped get the signs, so I noticed them everywhere they are.
But they're up.
So now, you are Chairman Lovett, right? Because you know, him reading your name of like they're doing a switcheroo. Yes, I know. Folks on camera. I know, right? That's right, elbow your way in here. Like how Jim Brown did them folks out in
When
California.
you speak it, if you slow down, I get most of what you say.
For true?
For true.
Okay, that's time. I get, you can help me out on that.
Turn it on one
Okay,
time
thank
for
you.
us.
We in?
Oh, okay, all right, wait, let's start all the way to the right, and then let's move to the left. That's the order.
Hey, I've
All right.
always looked at Coast
All right, there we go. We got it in the
Hurry, it's
orange,
gonna be in the paper.
now in the gray,
When Bob takes it.
got it? All right, now with the lady in the blue. Now the lady in the stripes. Now with the mic camera, with the red. Yeah, no, there we go, you're all right now. Red shirt.
Red shirt. Tiffany.
Tiffany got it. Tiffany's paparazzi. Tiffany got a bunch. All right. Yeah. Oh, he got you. That's video. He got it. Yeah.
Do you say up the window?
Yes, sir. Up the window, down the window. Wine don't be pretty. Thing like that.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. It's so good to see you. Yes.
Have a great week.
Thank you. Oh, and here you go. This is for you. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
By the way, I just would like all the commissioners, I want to thank you for that photo op and want you to know you are the first full commission that ever came down in the 5 years of the celebration and took the photograph with everybody in it. So you just made history just now.
You're in Liberty County.
Yeah, thank you.